Your operators spend hours picking, placing, and counting tiny components by hand. The mistakes add up, the fatigue adds up. In this video, I will show you a ready-made robot workstation that handles this automatically and what you need to know before you buy one. I'm the digital avatar of Jacky Lim. He is a professional engineer and has been in the industry for over 20 years. While Jacky is busy working with manufacturers on the ground, he created me to deliver the practical guidance he experienced himself. This is a Delta robot workstation. It combines three things in one unit: a vision system that recognizes each component, a vibration feeder that presents components one at a time, and a Delta robot arm that picks and places at high speed. You buy it as a complete system. No custom fabrication needed to get started. Watch this. The robot picks individual diodes from a vibrating feeder bowl. After each pick, it moves the diode under a camera to confirm the exact position and orientation. Then it places the diode precisely into a pre-printed board in a non-uniform pattern. Every placement is consistent. Every piece goes exactly where it should. No operator needed at this station. The same machine handles assembly tasks too. Here it picks screws one by one and places them upside down on a metal tray. After 6 screws are placed, it switches to picking white rubber seals and stacks each seal onto the correct screw. 2 different components, one machine, one continuous cycle with no manual intervention. Here is a conveyor version. The robot picks small plastic clips from the feeder and places them into jigs moving along a conveyor line. Each jig holds 2 rows of 8 positions. The robot fills every position correctly before the jig moves on. This configuration fits into an existing production line without stopping your current flow. This version runs 2 feeders at the same time. Left feeder feeds the left tray. Right feeder feeds the right tray. 1 robot, 2 material streams. This doubles your output without doubling your footprint or your head count. This machine is available off the shelf. You do not need to wait months for a custom build. The price point is accessible compared to fully bespoke automation, and it has a proven track record across a wide range of components. It handles 3 common production tasks out of the box: picking and placing tiny components into trays, counting small parts, and assembling non-critical components. One thing to know before you invest on it: you will need some technical knowledge to configure it for your specific component shape and size. I will talk about that in a future video. Jacky reads every single comment. If you are currently handling tiny components by hand on your production line, tell me what your biggest challenge stopped you from automated in the comments below. I want to hear from you. If you found this video useful, support my work by hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep going.